The armed forces of Russia Federation and Ukraine reported the front-line progress in the last 24 hours. The armed clashes occurred in some places June 2nd. In Krasny Liman direction, operational tactical and army aviation and artillery of the Center group of forces engaged the units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Kuzmino, Lugansk People's Republic, and Torskoye, Donetsk People's Republic. Over 60 Ukrainian personnel, 2 pickup trucks, 2 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery systems, as well as 1 Msta-B and 2 D-20 howitzers have been eliminated, said Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman. Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman, said in total the armed forces of Ukraine lost 431 fighter jets and 235 helicopters, 4,436 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 air defense missile systems, 9,356 tanks and other armored combat vehicles. Also 1,108 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,971 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,598 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kyiv, the armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement June 2nd said Russia lost 540 servicemen in a single day, including 15 tanks, 12 armored fighting vehicles as well as 27 artillery units and 6 drones. In total, Moscow lost 208,910 servicemen since Russia have been launching full-scale aggression in Ukraine territories. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky ordered Ukrainian authorities to conduct a full audit of all bomb shelters in Ukraine. It was announced after 3 people died in Kyiv while trying to enter a closed shelter amid an attack the day prior. Another update, the United States has announced a new package of military assistance to Ukraine, according to the Pentagon website. Its cost is estimated at approximately $300 million. Including additional ammunition for Patriot air defense systems and AIM-7 missiles for air defense systems, Avenger air defense systems, Stinger anti-aircraft systems, additional ammunition for HIMARS, 155mm and 105mm artillery shells and 105mm tank ammunition. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 464 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!